Good morning, gents. Today I'm just going to show you how to access the rear tail lights. You've got indicator there, as you can see, and then you've got the brake lights here, and then you've got the reversing line here. And as you can see, the boot separates them, so there's two different processes to gain access to these, and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, first step is we're going to access the indicator and brake tail light section here. Now that's in there. Now what we're going to do is get a screwdriver in there, take that, and that out, and this will just slide upwards. A good idea is to take everything out of the back here so you got free access to it. I know it's a pain in the backside and it could have been made easier, but that's the way they've done it, and better to do that than stuff things up. Alright, now here we go. We just stick a small screwdriver in here and it just comes out like that. See? Pretty easy. Now to get this plastic cover here off, you just gently pull it upwards. It's got these little plastic clips here. They go in here, as you can see. And get in there and undo these. There. It's on the same on the other side. One there, one there. Right, now to gain access now, just a simple case of pulling that off. And there you go, you've got the rear lights. Top one here is the indicator, and the rear one there. All you do, now to get them loose, just a quick turn to the counterclockwise, pull it out, put it back in, and then a quick turn clockwise. Same. And just replace the globe. Fairly easy, a lot involved, but that's it, unfortunately. And to put it all back together, it's just reverse. Make sure you put the trim in right. That's on the outside there. You've got 1, 2, 3 clips that have got to be put in to hold that in place. 1, 2, 3, and we'll put that together. Alright, we've got 1 clip up there, 1 clip up there, and 1 up there to put in. All it is just a reverse case of, so it's pretty simple. You can do it with one hand. And where are we? There you go, hold it all in place. You make sure the clips are like that when you put them in. As you can see, the head's out, and you just put them in over that, it slides in, and then you just push it in and it locks into place. Fairly simple. And this just goes in like that again. Be careful, it is all plastic and you don't want to end up spending a fortune on a new, I don't know, protective cover for your boot. Alright guys, just slowly put it into place. Again, we've got 5 of these clips, make sure they're out like that. There you go, just in case you're putting it in over that, and then pushing it down. Beautiful, isn't it? Again, like I said, make sure it's out, the head's out I should say, and just push it in. Another one, head's out, push it in. Beautiful. Now this one's going back in. All you got to do is just stick a screwdriver under the top there and pull it out, and then put it in place. Alright. Now we put the foam pieces in, the jack's on that side, and you've got the tools on that side. As you can see, you've got the clip that holds it in place, and you've got a little plastic stick out thing there. I don't even know what it's called. Anyway, that goes, and the plastic thing goes in there, and the hook goes in the top one. So it's just a case of, there you go, locks itself in, right, which is in here. In there, what you have to do is basically a similar thing. Get a screwdriver in, undo there, and there, and there, just to get access to the thing. So I'll get that done. Good thing is, you only have to undo the whole lot. You can take them all off, it's not that hard. It's just a case of pulling that thing. Interesting thing, you see how you've got these 2 pink things, markers there? That's how it lines up. Now again, the same thing happens. You just turn it to anti-clockwise, and there it is. And you put it back in, and locks. It's clockwise. And then it's just a case of pushing these clips back in. And there it is. The trim's back in place. The globe's replaced. Fairly well, fairly simple, but there's a bit involved in it considering all this is a light globe change. Anyway guys, don't forget to check out my other videos. Cheers.